Hey friends, this is Atif for Well and welcome to the new update on Matic Network. On 4th of July, I posted a video on the Matic Network where I told you that the Matic token has formed different harmonic moves with the US dollar pair and with the Bitcoin pair as well. So let's have some follow-up. First of all, I would like to show you my previous idea of Matic Network with US dollar pair. And this was the idea that I posted on 4th of July. And I also shared with you in the video as well and posted on the Tradingview and on the different platforms as well. So you can see that the Matic network had already completed this bullish crab pattern. Here we had a long spike up to this completion of this leg. We can see that this was the initial leg, then it was retraced between 0.382 to 0.618 Fibonacci retracement. Then it was projected between 0.382 to 0.886, and finally it was retraced between 1.27 up to 1.618 Fibonacci retracement level. And I was expecting that maybe it will give another chance to catch it from the potential reversal zone, but it started turning bullish from here. And now I'm just playing this chart, then you can see that so far it has produced more than 20% bullish rally, and at this time it is trying to break out this 0.786 Fibonacci projection. Now I would like to show you the Matic network with Bitcoin pair idea. And this was the Matic network with Bitcoin pair. And here you can see that the price action formed a bullish gauntlet pattern. This was the initial leg, then it was retraced between 0.618 to 0.786, and then it is projected between 0.382 to 0.886 Fibonacci projection, then retraced between 0.618 to 786 Fibonacci projection. And as per Fibonacci sequence of the bullish gauntlet pattern, I predicted that it will be moved up from here, and it will at least enter in this area 0.382 to 0.786 Fibonacci projection of A to D leg. Now I'm just playing this chart, and you can see that so far it has entered in this potential sell zone or Fibonacci projection that I have set as my sell targets. And you can see that so far it has produced more than 19% profit, and I was expecting up to 44%, but however, if the price action will break out this level 0.786 Fibonacci projection, then it can start more powerful bullish move than the previous one. However, it is at this time it is at this level. Now let's have a look on the live chart with the US dollar pair, and we can see that first the price action started a bullish rally, and this bullish rally was up to more than 300% from the lowest of the March up to the highest of May 2020, and then the price action broke down this channel. This was a bull trap. You can see that so many people would be understanding at that time that the price action has broken out this resistance of the channel, and after retesting this resistance, the price action can move up. But this retesting was failed, and the price action broke down even the support of the channel as well. And at this time, it is likely to form a down channel like this. And this can be the resistance of the channel that is newly formed. And this can be the support of the channel. Now you can observe that we have so many touches at the resistance of the channel, even though we have a little bit gap here and one more gap here, but we have one more, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 touches, and so many touches at the support as well. Therefore, we cannot ignore this move as a resistance and as a support, and the price action is moving between this down channel. But at this time, you can see that the price action is likely to break out the resistance of this channel. If this resistance of the channel will be broken out, then the price action again may retest the previous support of the channel as a resistance of the channel as a support. And if the support will be retested successfully, then it can start more powerful bullish move. But there is another good news that at this time, while we are this price action is breaking out this resistance of the channel, and also the price action has started the bullish rally from the potential reversals on of the harmonic crab pattern on the US dollar and garlic pattern on the Bitcoin pair. At the same time, the price action is also trying to break out this resistance of the falling wedge that has been formed on the weekly chart. That is really very positive move. So we can expect that this time there are more chances for the price line to break out this resistance of this wedge pattern that was started in May 2019, and more than a year has been passed, and so far the price action is not able to break out this resistance of the wedge. And at this time you can see that the wedge is getting squeezed, and this is a kind of decision making time for the price action to break out or break down the support or resistance. But we are having a strong supports of 25 simple moving average and 50 simple moving average as well before the support. Therefore, we can expect that if the price action will be rejected by this resistance, then it can be again take another bounce, the bullish bounce from the 25 or 50 simple moving average to make another attempt for the breakout. So this is a really very powerful bullish sign that at this time the price action is trying to break out the resistance of this falling wedge with a strong bullish candlestick. At the same time, the price action on the short time period charts has already formed the different harmonic moves, and you can see that on the daily chart the price action with US dollar pair is almost breaking out this resistance of the channel. Now let's have a look with the Bitcoin pair. I'm very much optimistic with that move as well, because I've already shared in my previous videos this move with you, that on the 2-month, very long-term 2-month chart, the price action of Matic network with Bitcoin pair has formed a very big bullish garlic pattern. This move is same as like the ADA formed the garlic pattern, and the Bitcoin formed the garlic pattern. For example, let me just share with you the ADA move that I posted in a few months ago. And this was the harmonic move that I predicted that in the month of March, that the final leg of the bullish, this was not the garlic pattern, this was a butterfly pattern, and the price action after completion of the butterfly pattern entered in this potential reversal zone. And now I'm just playing this chart, and you can see that it is turned very strong bullish. At this time it is trying to break out this 0.786 Fibonacci projection of A to D leg. So same as like this, we have another very big bullish move by the price action of Matic network as well. Matic network with Bitcoin pair. And we can see that after initial leg, the price action is retraced between 0.618 to 0.786 Fibonacci retracement. I have just ignored this some extra spike. Then it is projected between 0.382 to 0.886. Here I have also ignored some extra spike because all other legs are driven as per our requirement of the bullish garlic pattern, and the final leg has been retraced between 0.618 to 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level. So this is our stop loss in case of breaking down this potential reversal zone. And we can set this level as our stop loss, or we can also set the 25 simple moving average on the weekly chart as our stop loss, because on the weekly chart, the Matic network with Bitcoin pair as well, it moving above the 25 and 50 simple moving averages. You can see at this level the price action is having strong support of these two moving averages. So you can, for the safer side, you can also set these moving averages as your stop loss as well. So this was the update so far by the Matic network. I'm very much optimistic, and this is really very positive move by the Matic network. At this time it is showing that it will soon break out the resistance of the wedge that has been formed on the weekly chart with the US dollar pair. And definitely if it will turn bullish in the US dollar pair, then it will also turn bullish against the BTC as well, unless the BTC will be not turned more bullish than the Matic network. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like, do subscribe to my channel, do share your opinions and your questions in comment section as well. Take care. Goodbye.